and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is not actually going to be a tutorial, it's more like from straight to curly. If you are keen to see how I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get on to the tutorial slash routine. So the first thing, guys, my hair has been like this. I actually need to so that you guys can see a little bit better. Okay, so guys, my hair has been straight. Guys, don't judge me, please, don't judge me, but my hair has been straight for 2 weeks now. 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks. I'm gonna show you a picture maybe over here how my hair looked when I blow dried my hair. I am going to so this is now day almost day or more than day 14 here. But anyway, so what I'm going to do, it's been in a bun for a few days, and this is how it looks. As you can see, it's quite oily. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a scalp massage first, and first, before I do that, I'm actually gonna brush my hair. So I'm gonna split it in sections. So I'm taking this brush, and I think I bought this at Clicks. I just use this to detangle my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to use this black Jamaican castor oil, and this is for moistening growth, and I'm going to use this as a hot oil treatment, but I'm also gonna mix it with the Tresemme deep smoothing mask. And you might wonder why I do the mask before. I just wanna moisten my hair, and then I'm going to do a massage, guys. Then once I'm done with the massaging, I'm taking a little bit more of the oil, like so. Guys, this is actually my sister's oil. And then I'm just applying it to the ends of, and then doing this, so just to bring the moisture back. So now I'm going to apply the deep smoothing mask, and I'm going to apply it, this is the Tresemme, if you can see there. So now I'm going to apply this, and this is the texture of the mask. So now I'm just gonna, guys, the smell, very nice. So now I'm just gonna split it. And the mask, I apply the mask almost like I apply, almost like you would apply a relaxer. So this is what I'm wanna apply it very a generous amount. This is how it's going to work. now it is like that. So I use quite a lot, and just to seal everything I'm using the black Jamaican castor oil again. So, and I apply it like this. And there we go. I'm going to leave this. Then I'm going to apply a plastic bag, or you can apply, you can put a sour cap on your head. I'm going to leave this treatment on my hair for about maybe an hour. I'll see, an hour till an hour, and 30 minutes to an hour. I would do it normally, but I will see. If I have a lot of time, I'll definitely gonna do it an hour. So I'll check in with you guys after an hour or so. Okay guys, so I'm back. I think it was even more than an hour that I actually left. Did I leave this in my hair? So my hair, it looks like this now. So now I am going to wash my hair, and for shampoo I'm going to use the Iwori products today. Oh, this conditioner, I need a new one, but I'm going to use the repairing and strengthening shampoo. So it is for dry and damaged hair. So I'm going to use this shampoo. Guys, I must say the smell of the shampoo, ooh, very nice. It's like a coconut something. And then I am going to use this conditioner also, the Marula range, these two. So I'm just gonna wash my hair, and then I'll be back to detangle with the conditioner. Okay, so guys, I'm back. I washed my hair, and then I just put it in this t-shirt, an old t-shirt of mine. It's really super important that you use a t-shirt and not a normal towel. So it's really important. That is gonna help your hair, because a normal towel really dry out your hair, and it makes it really frizzy. So it's really important for you to use a t-shirt. Oh, that's what I use. So guys, you would see I use the mask before, like you saw when I applied my mask, and you can see how my hair looks. Like really, it looks really moisturized. So now I'm going to detangle my hair, and for detanglement I'm going to use the Iwori Beauty of Africa Marula conditioner, and I'm obviously gonna section my hair. I'm not being like specific with the sectioning, but to start here, and then work my way up to there. And as soon as I'm done with that, I'm taking this brush, and I begin at the ends, working my way up to the roots. Absolutely. No, 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 I'll guys, my hair is now detangled. Okay guys, I'm going to rinse the conditioner out and then I'll begin with the styling of my hair. Guys, so now for styling, I am going to, my hair is now all rinsed out. This is how it looks. There's nothing on my hair right now. So now we are going to begin with the styling. So for the styling, you will need, I'm gonna use a spray bottle just with water in, and then I'm gonna use the Iwori Beauty of Africa Marula Ultra Nourishing Curl Defining Leave-In Lotion, and then I'm going to use the Cantu Curling Cream, and then I'm also gonna use this pure Glycerine. So the first thing that I'm gonna do before I'm not gonna use the brush that I used to detangle. I'm only gonna use my hands, and I'm going in with the Glycerine. And for the Glycerine, you wanna just go in with it. Like so. That's that for the Glycerine. And then now for the styling, I'm going to section my hair, split the one section in two, and then I'm going to begin to style. So first I'm going to take my water bottle and I am going to spritz the hair wet a little bit more, even more, and then I'm going to go into the leave-in lotion. And when I begin to apply the product on my hair, I'm going to almost like detangle it again with my fingers, but this I'm doing it only with my fingers this time when I style it. So then it should look something like this. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so it looks something like that. And then the same I'm going to do on the other side. And then I'm gonna take the Cantu curling cream. Yes, curling cream. Now and I'm gonna continue doing this. lighting changed or what is going on. But guys, this is how my hair now looks with the products on. I'm going to show you guys how it's gonna look. I'll try not to touch my hair, but I will yes, so I will come back to show you guys the final result. It's gonna take a couple of hours for my hair to dry. Hopefully it will be dry in a few hours. So yes guys, so this is how it looks. After like 5 hours or so, my hair is, I would say, 90% dry. As you can see over here, my hair is 90% dry, and I really like the results, how it came up. My curls are back, guys. Totally love it. And I actually put on my natural top t-shirt. So yes guys, this is the final result. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Till I see you in my next one. Bye.